Hello everyone. I wanted to share with you today this Ninja air fryer. It has 5 different settings. You can air fry, roast, grill, bake, and dehydrate. You have your different settings, and if you say preheat, it will. As you see, the lights are flashing because I haven't picked what I want to do. So let's say we're going to air fry. It starts off with 390 for 20 minutes. You can reset this to 350 is ideal for me, and depending on what I'm cooking, I adjust the time, right? And then you just hit this little button, right? And it starts. Okay. If you're cooking roast or chicken or something, it also comes with a probe. It plugs in on the side here, and you put the other piece in the meat. This is the grilling attachment. It also comes with the basket, and you put the basket, you put the grill piece down in here like that. It have little smooth knobs right there so you can't get it wrong. And it also have the air fryer piece that goes in. That would be that one. And that's it. It's simple to use. Cleaning, you just take it out and wash it up. Enjoy.